How to create a public profile on Snapchat. Hey everyone, in this guide we'll see how to create a public profile on Snapchat. A public profile lets anyone discover your snaps, stories and content, so even if they are not your friends. So let's just get started. Open up Snapchat app and you can tap on your profile icon in the top left and go ahead and access your profile page directly from the section. And this is our profile page right here. Now, in order to create a public profile, you must be 13 years plus old, and Snapchat requires your account to be at least 24 hours old, and only one public profile per account is allowed. So once you open up the space, you can look out for the public profile option directly. Go to that section and tap on it, and we can go on with the process of creating up a public profile here. Now we can start by setting up our profile. So you can make your follower account public, you can change it little. Also, you can just go and do so. Now, in order to create your profile, we can start up with the process. So we can just go over in Snapchat will show what's visible public, such as your stories, your spotlight content, your friends, engagement, etc. Now we can customize it. So if you want to add up a profile picture, you can just go over and tap on this pen icon right here to add up a picture, and then go ahead and select up a profile photo for yourself. Once it is done, you can move and scale it out if you prefer, and just go over and tap on confirm and confirm it out. This is one of the methods available. And if you want to add bio or links, you can look out for the pen icon in the top right and tap on it. And within there, we can just go on with the process of adding up bio. So in this tab to add bio, you can add up a bio that you prefer. And if you want to share your location, you can tap on location. If you want to show your follow account, you can turn it on, and you can even edit your background image, etc. And now your profile is ready. Public profile is ready. You can just go over and only post content that you're comfortable sharing publicly. You cannot delete friends to hide from public profile. Privacy is maintained via settings. You can delete the public profile anytime without deleting the Snapchat account. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.